Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a nice little short one. I have a few little things to say. But before you go and watch the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for me. It helps me out a lot. And you guys can be part of the Juliaromerobeauty squad. And promise you, we're really fun here. I'm trying to be more fun. At least, I don't know. I'm just trying to be more fun. And also don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way you guys are notified when I do upload a video and you guys can be the first to watch it because I love you guys so much. Alright guys, so let's just jump right into the video. Alright, so let me get to the surprise because I know that's why all of you are here. So, as a little sorry, but also thank you at the same time, I wanted to do a little giveaway for you guys. I wanted to do the giveaway because of saying sorry for being away so long and always taking breaks and all of that, because that is not going to happen anymore. I'm going to stick with it, and I promise you. I promise. And also a thank you for all of you who have been with me through all of my breaks and all of my rough patches and have always been supporting me no matter what. I love you guys so much for that. So as a thank you and a sorry, I wanted to do this giveaway for you guys. So the other day I actually went through my whole vanity and cleaned out everything that was in there. If I could show you this, it's like completely clean and basically empty. Anyways, so as I was cleaning all my stuff, I started to realize that I have a lot of products that are either unopened, not used, or I literally just have them sitting there for no reason and nobody's using them. So I thought to myself, I have so much stuff, why don't I just give it to my subscribers? And I was like, genius. And I thought this was perfect because I'm not using them and I want someone else to use it, and I feel like it's a waste if I just have it here not being used at all. And I know there are plenty of you out there who would love to have all this stuff, and I felt like I was taking it for granted of all those things that I was getting and purchasing and all that stuff. So I just want to give back to you guys because I love you so much. It's a lot of stuff. I'm letting you know right now. It's everything that's in here are products that I don't use. Fair warning, it is mostly skincare products. Like you've seen in my video on how I cleared up my acne, I mentioned that I was spending a lot of money on products that I wanted to use so that help my skin, but I ended up not even using more than half of these products. So yeah. Ooh. So 99.9% of all the products that are in here are all completely skincare. So yeah, like it's a lot of stuff. Like, you don't understand. There's so much stuff in here. Let me show you how much stuff is in here because it's literally ridiculous. I clearly have a problem. I can't even show you half the things because it's literally gonna fall out. Well, you guys get the point. There's a lot of stuff in here. Alright beauties, so for this giveaway there will be two winners. I will split the bag in half, so one winner will win a bunch of prizes, and then the second winner will win a bunch of other stuff. I will be posting a picture on Instagram specifically of all the products that will be in giveaway winner number 1 and giveaway winner number 2, so stay tuned for that. But right now I just want to explain the rules to you guys. I will also leave the rules down below in the description bar. So the rules for this giveaway are going to be very simple, not much to it. Rule number 1 is you have to be subscribed to my channel, obviously. Rule number 2 is that you have to give this video a big thumbs up. Because I know you guys love giveaways. Like, who doesn't love giveaways? And giving me a thumbs up lets me know that you like my video, so yeah. And then the last and final rule is that you have to fill out a form that will be in my description box down below. All I ask is for your first name, your last name, and your address. Yeah, those are the only things I ask for. And the only reason why I'm asking for those things is because I'm obviously going to be shipping out your prizes to you, so I need to know where you live. But don't worry, this is going to be completely confidential. No one is going to see this but me. I just need to know where I'm sending the products to. So this giveaway is pretty similar to like my 500 subscriber giveaway, where I'm just doing subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then fill out the form. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that was super simple, and it was really easy for me to pick out a winner and see all of you guys. Also, make sure you are following me on Instagram, because I will be posting a picture of each individual prize. So I will be posting a picture of giveaway winner number 1 and then giveaway winner number 2. That way you guys know exactly what you're getting, because there is just way too much for me to go through each individual product and show you what you guys are winning. It's just going to be crazy. But it's going to be evenly distributed. Am I saying that right? Evenly distributed. So just keep an eye out for that so you guys know what you are winning. Those are all the rules. Very simple, like I said. Alright guys, so that is the complete video. I hope you guys are super excited for this giveaway like I am. Thank you again for being so supportive, and I'm so sorry for being away for a while. I'm back better than ever. I have a great support system behind me, pushing me along, and I'm very happy and excited to see what the future holds. So thank you again. I love you guys so much.